Hello, welcome back to the training on the 5 important business document design using Canva. Now we're looking at the second document, which is your business card. We have seen how to create a letterhead in the first session. We're now going to see how to create a business card. So now in the Canva environment, in the previous version, session, I showed you how to, sign up, do all the necessary things to get started. So maybe you want, if you don't know, if you are by chance or in any way you are watching this video first, then you should go to the first video on creating letterhead using Canva. I explained how to sign up there, how to sign in, sign up to sign in. So now straight away here, we just want to go to how to create. So usually this is where you should be if you are getting started with Canva. Be in the home page. So you click this home and then brings you here, and then you search. You will search with the criteria business card. That will be fine. Then you'll be given a lot of suggestions. As you can see, there are different suggestions. So among these suggestions, you have options to create your own template. Maybe if you're a designer, you can design yours. So we have free and pro versions. So if you're a free user, that means you have not paid for the Canva subscription. Then you should look for anyone that is free. The one that is free is what you can use. Okay, so you can see quite a lot of beautiful cards, template. So just look for the one that you want. So I think I will use these. I'm trying to look for. Okay, I'll use um, plastic. I think I'm trying to look for the one that will resonate with my design. Let me see the back of this. This looks too casual. Let me see this one. Well, this is fine. Let me see this. Wow, this looks like this one. Your printer will ask you for a lot of money. Hey, this one requires your picture. No, so I will just stay with one. No, I don't want the one that requires picture. So maybe I'll stay with this. So I'll pick these, and other suggestions will still come after you have selected that. You still see the ones that fall, so you can still go further to make your search. But for the sake of this gold color, I'm trying to do something unique. So you just select this and you click customize this template. So but be aware that if you're a free user, you may not be able to print, or you may not be able to download some of them. So watch what you are using. So I want to use this. The first thing is I want to change the logo here. So I'm going to bring in my logo, my business logo. Okay, maybe I'll just use my YouTube channel logo. So I'll click this, I'll delete this and just place this right in the center, resize it. And if I don't want it to be in a box shape like this, maybe I want to be a circle, then you go for element. You go to element and then you select this frame. You select the frame and then you bring your logo inside the frame. So that will make your logo to look very stylish. So that's the logo is staying right in the middle. And then for the other side, so I want to put my name. All right. So I am the CEO, lead vision concept. Okay. So maybe, but since I'm using my YouTube channel, let me just say creator. Simply scale sync lab. So this space. So this is good. Then you just put your phone number. your email. So all these you make selections. If there's anything covering your selection, you should move it away. As you can see, there's an object here. So that may not allow you to do that editing. So what I did was push it aside a bit, then do my changes, double click, change, put anything you want to. Then you can now come back after you're done and drag it to where maybe it was before, just for the sake of the design. Maybe there's a design that this represents, as you can see, and we don't want to lose it, so we can just easily put it back. And then the card is ready. Okay, card is ready. So now, for you to get this card printed, you need to share it. That is download. You need to click this share button, click download, and here you will choose PDF. I mean, no, if you are trying to make it a digital card, you can choose PDF. Digital card means that you will download it and you can just send it to anybody as not a printed but a digital card. But if you want to print it, maybe send it to a printer, then you should choose PNG. With your PNG, you can change. If you are a premium user, that is, you have subscribed, you can change this. You'll be allowed to change this. But if you are a free user, it will remain where it was and you may not be able to slide it. So, but for me, because I'm a paid user, I can slide that. So this one means that the image quality, you are increasing the image quality, and it's very important for printing because if you are going to send your card, your design to the printer, the image quality needs to be very solid so that the printing will be very sharp, especially when you have something like gold and you want it to be very fantastic. And then of course, you just choose download and it will be downloaded. Then you can now send that PNG file to your printer to get it downloaded. So, but now take note of the way it's going to come out. It's going to come out as a zip file. And the reason is because it's a two-page document. So if you are downloading a card, for PNG, it will usually come as a zip. If it's more than one, if it's more than one, if it's two, it will come as a zip. So all you just need to do is unzip after you have downloaded, unzip, and then you can now get those PNG files and send them to your printer for printing. So that's is that. So now in the next video, we are going to be looking at invoice. That's one of my favorite. As a business person, there are times when your client will ask you to send an invoice, you know, for a particular proposal or whatever it is. And then are you thinking of printing, scanning, and sending? No, you can easily create your invoice and maintain a standard invoice that you always send digitally. So I'm going to show you how to create that. But before then, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can catch up with the videos as they are dropped. And then you need to share, like, and click the notification button because it's very important. If this video is dropping, you want to be among the first to receive it, then you should click the notification button bell to catch up with the videos. All right. So see you in the next session. Bye for now.